Autonomous Structural Assembly Platform, a revolutionary system set to transform the construction and maintenance industries both in space and on Earth. The ASAP system is an advanced technology that can autonomously assemble structures in space. This system doesn't just build, it repairs. The ASAP can autonomously detect damage and swiftly fabricate customized components on site. The system's ability to autonomously fabricate and integrate components means that infrastructure can be built or upgraded with unprecedented efficiency, both in space and in challenging industrial environments on Earth. What makes the ASAP system truly remarkable is its adaptability in the harsh vacuum of space or in complex terrestrial facilities. This technology opens new possibilities for efficient, cost-effective, and adaptable infrastructure development.